We just finished installing our Horsepower Freak 750 turbo kit on this M3. There is nothing else done to this car except for our horsepower kit, which comes with its own engine management system, our own turbo system, intercooler system, fuel system, and oiling system. Nothing else done to it but that. $16,000. We're going to see what it can do at the track.